and Friends, Season 1, Episode 1. Thomas? The story of Thomas the Tank Engine. This is the story about a locomotive whose name was Thomas the Tank Engine. Nowadays, he worked hard to be really useful on his good branch line with his two coaches named Annie and Clarabelle. But let me tell you the story before he got his own branch line. One drizzly day on the island of Sodor, there were no roses. There were no, and James wasn't painted red yet. He was just painted black. And Annie and Clarabelle didn't have an engine yet. And all the trucks were miserable. James was miserable as well because of the rain. That's going to spoil his lovely paintwork. Edward didn't agree with him. He just worried about a new engine, what we look like. He just worried about what will the new engine look like. Will it look big? Will it look big? Or will it look small? Thought Edward. You see, James, every time I think about the new engine's going to look like, it's going to be bull. Bull? Said Gordon. What's that? Bull? Means that, said Edward. It means that you're worried about when something new and when you do something new. I remember that when I was nervous when I first arrived here, said James. And I was nervous when I was glad to work. The next day, all the engines were staying in the shed. Just then, Sir Toppom Hat came back. Engines, pay attention. Engines, pay attention. Today we have a new engine. Alright guys, aren't you ready to meet your new second partner in crime? I guess so. Well, here it is, the one, the only, Thomas! Oh, what? What's a stir? You can't do that. Of course I can. Oh, the indignity. A few days later, wake up, Thomas. Gordon will be waiting for his coaches. Oh, okay. But then an idea flew into Thomas's funnel. Gordon was too busy waiting for his coaches, but Thomas then sent some coaches signing new coaches for him. He was shunting some old rusty trucks for him. All aboard! said the controller, said the whistleman. All aboard indeed! Express coming through! Now that was a good prank, said Thomas, and he huffed away. Meanwhile, Henry was pulling the flying kipper. One day, Henry was puffing along the main line when he saw Gordon with a goods train. A goods train, a goods train. The shame of it, the shame of it, oh, the shame of it, said Gordon nervously. Calm down, be impressed with yourself, Gordon, said Henry. It's not that bad. Oh, yes it is, said Gordon. Thomas just sent me some freight cars. Well, that was a prank? Oh, Thomas! Meanwhile, Thomas was busy talking with Edward and James. And that time, when back in my old days on another railway back in the mainland, I just plunged down the mountain, and I just, oh my goodness, how would I ever get that? Whoa, said Edward. Now that was an adventure. Of course it was, said James. But a few days later, James was a runaway. Help! They're pushing me! They're pushing me! Cried James. He was going too fast. He was pulled by he was pulling 3 freight cars. Henry moved out of the way. And James just raced on the main line. Now this is Thomas' chance to stop James. Then he was almost there to the brake van. Okay, almost there. Gently braking, but then there was trouble. James was too busy approaching to a curve, which exactly why there was no chance James will make it through that curve. I'm coming off the rails! Ah! James! Oh, stay right there, James. I'll go and get help. He tried to move, but he couldn't. So Thomas had to take him back to the shed. Sir Toppom was very impressed with Thomas. Well done, Thomas. You've been a really useful engine. James will have some new brakes and a new coat of paint. And you, Thomas, will have a branch line all to yourself. Oh, thank you, sir, huffed Thomas. Nowadays, you could see Thomas puffing along the line with Annie and Clarabelle.